It's Jason with Investing Logically. In this video, we're talking about Palantir stock and how they had two massive news articles and how this could potentially run up really soon. Feel free to like this video for the YouTube algorithm so more people can learn about investing. Also, feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. What does Palantir do? So basically, Palantir is a company that specializes in data analytics. That's just a brief overview of what they do. One of their products, which is Palantir you can see here, it integrates, manages, secure and analyze all of your enterprise data. So we're going to use this, I'm just going to use an example. What can this product solve? They can solve problems like terrorism. If someone has this product and there's a potential terrorist trying to access the data, this will not be possible because in their product they have this multi-level protection data capability. So that will lock all potential data hackers from getting into data of specific people. It says Palantir are combining their technology with BP to achieve their ambitious energy transition goals. BP has said that Palantir technology is a key accelerant in BP's digital transformation. Technology is going to help deliver energy more safely and efficiently in a disrupted market. That's what the CEO of Palantir says. Their technology is made for delivering energy more safely and efficiently. Good deal, because BP is not a small company. It is a 74.21 billion company. So this is massive news. So as of February 9, IBM and Palantir partner to help business easily deploy powerful and open AI applications. Palantir is making these partnerships with large companies so easily. So we're seeing with BP, the partnership with BP, now IBM. This stock could easily 3 times your money. Some price targets from 6 analysts. So they have an average price target of $18.80, which is a minus 47.85% downside. They have a high of $30 and a low of $15, which both are below the current price right now. They have 1 buy, 2 hold, 3 sells. Price targets by these 6 analysts. They think they have a bearish view, which means they think the stock is going to go down. So believe in the company, you believe in their fundamentals, and you believe in their future. Invest in the company. Don't base your decision on these 6 analysts. So Yak Invest currently holds 2,285,095 million shares in the ARK WETF, which is really good. That there are no institutions currently selling Palantir. They're either holding or buying more shares, so that's really good. I would have invested $1,000 in this company. So tomorrow when market opens, I put my first $250, whatever price it is, because we believe in the company, we believe in their fundamentals, in their future, so we invest whatever price it is tomorrow. The next day if it drops to $34, we put our next $250 on that. And the next day if it drops to $30, we put our next $250 on that. If it drops to $27, we put our last $250 on that. Then once we average down, we write it back up to its highs. So that's what we do around here. So the reason we average down is because we want to catch the buying opportunities, we have to catch the dips, so we maximize our profits. So I do think you should invest in this company before their Q4 earnings, because I do think this is going to run up huge on that day. It could easily jump 50%. So we're going to be ready. My high price target is $100 end of this year. They got the BP partnership, the IBM. If they partnership with Apple, they could use their technology to help with the Apple car in 5 years. That was my whole analysis on Palantir stock and how it could go up huge with these partnerships. So please do your research before consulting I'm not a financial advisor. My videos are just for entertainment purposes only. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Also, feel free to like this video for the YouTube algorithm so more people can learn about investing.